All right, this is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Ultra watch. I went with the gray, titanium gray. It was a tough decision. I was thinking about getting the white, the all white. So let's open this bad boy up, see what we get here. Set this to the side. Okay. This is just some stuff here. All right. It's a lot of stuff for there's a lot of stuff just for this. So, all right, here we go. I got the titanium gray Galaxy Watch Ultra Samsung. Let's see here. See how it looks in person. I've been looking at it online, and it looks huge, actually. So I normally like to see stuff in person before I buy it, but I took a leap of faith, and let's just see what we got here. Again, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Okay, see if we can get this bad boy open. Okay. We got. Go. Pull this out. Okay. So it came with the orange bands. I do have some replacement bands coming, but I do love this color orange. It stands out. I think it's bright, and I think you definitely get noticed with this color. So let's open this up. Okay, I'm not going to reuse this box, so it doesn't matter.
According to the State Department of Health and Human Services, there's a potential $4 billion in existing medical debt for low and middle income Philippines.
This actually feels pretty good. It feels differently than I thought it would.
To eliminate that debt.
Okay. So you see the bands here?
What this could mean for families.
See Samsung right there. Okay, set these to the side. Now let's get to the. Anything else in here? Nope. All right. Just to the side here.
And of course, it's not a debt we choose. And we're not going out and buying a luxury car.
Dr. Christopher Lake is retired.
Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Okay, here we go. Okay. Wow, this is nice. Looks way better in person than it does online. Oh, okay.
He never really thought much about how medical debt was impacting families, which is why over the last year he's been fighting to try to find ways to eliminate debt for families in Montgomery County.
There's quite a large amount.
So here we go.
It's hard to get it precise.
I think I'm missing the charger.
Medical debt at one point, roughly estimated to be as high as
Oh, nope. Okay, I found another box within another box. And this must be for the charger.
A new program to eliminate medical debt for patients. Under the new program, if approved by the U.S. Centers for Medicare.
And I'm filming this on my Galaxy Fold 5. Still debating if I should upgrade to the 6 or just wait for the 7. Okay. So here we go. I will get this together and then do a setup review. All right, thank you for your time.